open the overhead compartment. Be careful.
All right, I made it to Lima. Time to go through passport control and get to my hotel. Well, that was a good breakfast. Checkout time is noon, so I'm gonna try to shower and get out of here. I'm gonna leave my bags with these guys and then I'm gonna go off into the city center to enjoy it. I just got to the Museo del Arco after about a 30-minute cab ride this morning. I don't have my passport. I'll see if they'll let me in. Finished looking at the entire museum in about an hour. It's really interesting. It's a small museum, but it's really enjoyable. The artifacts here are really interesting. And there's also an erotic artifact exhibit, which mainly comes from just this religious belief of the ancient Peruvians just celebrating sexuality and reproduction in connection with basically the perpetuity of life and sexual activity and just the relationships between people. But it was really interesting. Now I'm in the cafe. The food here is really well priced and I'm going to enjoy the duck. I just walked through the Museo Nacional de Arqueología y Antropología, but unfortunately the museum is almost entirely closed because it's being remodeled, so that was a real waste of time. Fortunately it was free, but now I'm waiting for my Uber to get to the next museum that I'm going to visit, and hopefully that one won't be a bust. This is the Museo del Sitio Huaca Puquiana. It's mostly a bunch of just clay bricks. I'm not sure what this represented, but it's not terribly interesting, and unfortunately it's mostly closed. But yeah, they just let me in, let me take a few pictures, and I think that's pretty much it. ¿Hay más mercado allí?
Sí, hay allá, allá
Okay.
y al frente también.
Okay.
Hay varios.
Gracias.
Y hacia el lado de allá también.
Gracias. I just passed through the Incan markets. They sell a lot of cool things made from alpaca fur, and everyone was really excited about the soccer game, but you can hear the honking and people talking. But last I checked, the score was like 0-0, but people are just really worked up about it.
Churritos calientitos.
¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta?
3 soles, caballerito, 3
¿Tres?
soles. Sí,
¿Tres?
caballero.
Ok.
¿Cuántos quieren?
Uno, por favor.
Ay,
Gracias.
ya, bonito, está bien.
Very sweet and very greasy, but good. It's about 6:40 p.m. right now. It's been interesting, but it doesn't surprise me that Lima is not a top tourist destination. You know, there's stuff to see here, but it's not super exciting really. It's an interesting cultural experience, and you know, I'm glad I came here. I'm glad I got some time to kill here, but I'm still trying to figure out how to kill another 4 or 5 hours. So I think I'll walk around the city. It's a nice neighborhood here, and I'll just probably head back to the hotel in about an hour, and then sit for a little bit, charge my phone, process some videos, and then head to the airport and give myself plenty of margin.